Oh guys, what's up? We are at White Castle. The White Castle car meet. Oh, what up? How's it going? Castle. We are currently going to walk around and look at the cars. What? I see this really odd group just standing here. Like, who are these guys even?
Ow, ow, stop.
Who are you? What?
Ow,
what?
Stop. When you're
Look at this man. Look at this man on it.
Oh my.
Trailing is pretty much.
0.0.
This man trailered his car here. Got the drag slicks, can't really see. I'm curious to how much power that is making. Well, let's continue the walk. We got helis after us.
Stop. What is he here? Just bench seat.
I'm down for whatever, as long as it involves alcohol.
Some old school cars here. It's pretty sweet. The blades. Right-hand drive though.
Yeah.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Wow.
So this parking lot is rented.
It's lit as fuck is what it is.
So we don't have to worry about cops. I mean, even though there are cops lurking, don't really need to worry about them. As long as we're not doing stupid shit and doing burnouts and stuff like that.
Which won't happen here because half the people here are like OG big horsepower boys, so we should be alright. Too small. Good thing we got here when we did, because it's filling up pretty quick.
People are just still rolling in. We got a Viper, okay.
That is sexy as fuck.
All I care about is
Oh, those wheels are hot.
they're HREs. Those are like $1,000.
You can't see them, but they're HREs.
Mega mints. Those are good HREs. I mean, they're all good, but those are especially good.
240 gang. I am digging it. Oh.
It's freaking full cage, the hydro, like that is like my dream right there. My dream, not daily, is that car.
Alright, running across the street because we have spotted some donks. Or not really donks, but just... What would you consider these cars?
Lowriders?
Lowriders, yeah, you're right, you're right. Found hella lowriders over here.
like not my style, but when it's done right, it's really sick.
Dude, that paint is like so sparkly.
I know.
It's just like super clean.
This is like the pimp ride.
But this was like done to where it's like well done.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah, that ain't fucking good old Lincoln.
Whole nother car scene over here.
Oh yeah.
Like being in a different world. You see that?
Yeah. Slammed enough?
Smell it out loud.
My God.
Holy fuck.
The dope thing about this is it's not even like an old truck. It's just done in such like a sick. It makes it look retro as fuck, just because it's like. So the thing's probably like what, 2003, 2004. I'm guessing. I don't know that much about trucks.
Sending it back. Jaywalk AF. Drag slicks on the back.
Nice interior. All white.
Color stuff. Alright, Justin's leading me to a Beamer.
Very hot. I like it a lot.
It's very hot. I like it a lot.
So fast.
Oh.
Well, that's dope.
Hey yo yeah.
Fiber hood. That's sexy.
With the
truck too. Oh, it's sexy.
Oh, I would do over there.
Carbon fiber diffuser too.
Oh man.
Hot.
I don't see his car, so he doesn't want to
That's cool. Vigor 40.
He was not here.
Yep, he sure is. No, he's not. Never mind, he's not live.
That's cute.
I can dig a hot Accord, let me tell you. Got the BBS's on it.
Freaking hot.
So yeah, we're just kind of like walking around, going from this parking lot to the other parking lot, and just kind of looking at cars. That's kind of what it is.
Quite busy here tonight.
Yeah, it's lit AF, some may say. And now we're back over in this parking lot. Okay, Lambo just rolling up out of nowhere. Look at this.
Where the fuck did this come from?
Right as we're heading out, Lambo shows up. VIP.
Is this kind of
Oh. Oh, that Audi's hot. Got a big truck. Alright, so we are going to call it for the night. Because we've been here for, what, like an hour and a half or so, and
possibly, maybe less.
it's been a lot of dope cars, but we have things to do. We have things to attend to, believe it or not. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Peace out.
Peace.
Peace. Oh. Nailed me in the
Please tell me
fucking
that was
chest.
still recording.
Still recording right now.